Welcome to Creating an Accessible ETD, a publication of thesis and dissertation services of the Graduate College at Ohio University. Today you will learn how to create a digitally accessible ETD. Digital accessibility is the inclusive practice of ensuring that people can access and interact with digital media, tools, and technologies by removing as many barriers as possible. When it comes to electronic theses and dissertations, digital accessibility ensures that users of screen readers or other assistive technology devices can interact with the document with ease. To ensure that ETDs are accessible to all users, the university has established a set of minimum digital accessibility standards, which require the PDF accessibility permission is flagged, that the PDF includes a title, that the PDF includes full text, that text language of the PDF is specified, and that figures and images include alternative text. This video will show you how to ensure your ETD adheres to the minimum digital accessibility standards. The first thing we will cover is making your source document accessible in Word. Now, the first thing you should do when you start your document is start the accessibility check. You can do this by going to the Review tab and clicking Check Accessibility. This will open a drop-down menu where you will once again check accessibility. This opens a box on the right-hand side of your screen. Any issues that exist will pop up in this box. Do your best to resolve all issues in the box by right-clicking on any issues that pop up and clicking Fix. If you have trouble resolving these issues, please contact TAD and we will help. Complete all edits and fix all issues before converting to PDF. Creating the PDF and checking it for accessibility should be the final step in preparing your ETD for submission. The next step in this process is to export from Word as a PDF. To do this, we go to File and hit Save As or Save a Copy. In the Save As dialog box, choose the file type PDF and then check the Options box. Note, if Options is not available in the Save dialog, look for a selection under the File Format box reading Best for Electronic Distribution and Accessibility, and ensure that there is a check in the box next to it. In the Options box, ensure that the page range selected is All, and that there is a check in the box next to Document Structure Tags for Accessibility. Then select OK, name your document, and hit Save. Now that we've converted our Word document, we can review the accessibility of our PDF. To do this, we first open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Then we click on Tools in the upper left of the document. Scroll down until you find the Accessibility tool. Click it to open the Accessibility checkbox. Here, you will click Accessibility Check. This opens the Accessibility Checker Options box. Under Report Options, ensure that there is a check in the box next to Create Accessibility Report and Attach Report to Document. You can also choose where your document report will be saved on your computer by clicking here. Under Page Range, ensure all pages in document is selected. Under Checking Options, ensure document is selected for category, and ensure that there are check marks only in the following boxes. Accessibility permission flag is set. Document is not image-only PDF. Text language is specified. And document title is showing in title bar. Then select Start Checking. This will open a box on the left side of the document with any accessibility issues that exist. Review your results in the left sidebar. Expand the document selection. Most documents will show title failed. If so, right-click on the line of the report and choose Fix. Remove the checkmark under Title next to Leave As Is and type your title in. Once you've typed in your title, click OK. Now confirm that the accessibility permission flag, the image-only PDF, the primary language, and title all read passed. Replace the report document if prompted. Save your document. You are now ready to upload your ETD, making sure to also upload the accessibility report you saved as above. That's it.